Hi everybody, this is Joel with Bodyworks in Mesa, Arizona. Today I'd like to show you how to use a foam roller on your inner thigh. That's going to be from the knee up into the groin. You never want to go over a joint with the foam roller. So let's get started. Real simple. This foam roller is going to be right along my inner thigh as I'm laying face down. We can call this like a raised leg position, flamingo position, frog leg position. And I'm just going to roll my inner thigh. My body's going to roll sideways. That's it, real simple. All the way up towards the hip and groin, then back towards the knee. Again, don't go over the knee joint and try not to climb too deep into the hip. Our goal is just to increase circulation, increase your oxygen intake to your musculature and decrease your lactic acid. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 480-381-5779. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, or a comment below, either way. And I look forward to hearing your feedback and talking to you soon. Take care. Whew, that is the spot.